Welcome to Mr. Biography YouTube channel. This video is about biography of famous Assam Pradesh Congress Committee President Bhupen Kumar Borah. Hope you will enjoy this educational based video and share it with your family and friends. Bhupen Kumar Borah is one of the most prominent political leaders in Assam, known for his leadership skills, commitment to public service, and contribution to the development of the state. He has served as the president of the Assam Pradesh Congress Committee, one of the most influential political organizations in the state, and has played a crucial role in shaping the political landscape of Assam. Bhupen Kumar Borah was born on 15 August 1953 in Tinsukia, a small town in the eastern part of Assam. He grew up in a middle-class family, and his father was a government employee. Bhupen Kumar Borah was a bright student and completed his schooling from Tinsukia Higher Secondary School. Later, he pursued a bachelor's degree in science from Dibrugarh University. Bhupen Kumar Borah's political career started in the late 1970s when he joined the Indian National Congress, one of the oldest and most prominent political parties in India. He started working as a party worker, and over the years, he rose through the ranks to become one of the most influential leaders in the state. In 1983, Bhupen Kumar Borah contested his first election from Tinsukia constituency and won with a thumping majority. He served as a member of the Assam Legislative Assembly from 1983 to 1985. In 1985, he was re-elected from the same constituency and was appointed as a minister in the state government. He served as a minister in various departments, including agriculture, irrigation, and flood control. Bhupen Kumar Borah's political career took a new turn when he was appointed as the president of the Assam Pradesh Congress Committee in 1998. This was a significant responsibility, and he rose to the occasion, working tirelessly to strengthen the party's position in the state. During his tenure as the president, he played a crucial role in bringing together the various factions of the party and creating a united front. Bhupen Kumar Borah's tenure as the president of the Assam Pradesh Congress Committee was marked by several achievements. He played a crucial role in the party's victory in the 2001 assembly elections, where the Congress won a clear majority in the state. This was a significant achievement, as the party had been out of power in Assam for almost a decade. During his tenure, Bhupen Kumar Borah focused on strengthening the party's grassroots-level organization. He emphasized the need for the party to connect with the people at the grassroots level and address their concerns. He worked towards creating a strong network of party workers across the state, who could work towards the party's goals. Bhupen Kumar Borah was also instrumental in creating a strong alliance of like-minded political parties in the state. He worked towards creating a broad-based platform that could address the various concerns of the people of Assam. Bhupen Kumar Borah's contributions to Assam go beyond his political achievements. He has been actively involved in social service and has worked towards the development of the state in various ways. One of Bhupen Kumar Borah's significant contributions to the state has been his work towards the development of the agriculture sector. As the Minister for Agriculture, he introduced several initiatives to promote agricultural growth in the state. He introduced modern farming techniques and provided farmers with better access to credit and other resources. In conclusion, Bhupen Kumar Borah is a renowned political leader and a respected figure in Assam. His leadership skills, commitment to public service, and contribution to the development of the state have made him a highly influential figure in Assam's political landscape. As the president of the Assam Pradesh Congress Committee, he played a crucial role in strengthening the party's position in the state and bringing together various factions. His contributions to the development of the agriculture sector and his advocacy for improving the quality of education in the state have left a lasting impact on the state's progress. Bhupen Kumar Borah's legacy is one of hard work, dedication, and commitment to the betterment of society, and he will always be remembered as a towering figure in Assam's political history. Thanks a lot for watching our professional Mr. Biography YouTube channel. You can help us to promote our Mr. Biography YouTube channel by like, comment, share and subscribe Mr. Biography YouTube channel. Stay in touch.